Hello, in this video we will be showing you how you can access the MAH Core Collection off campus. On the library canvas page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access e-Resources icon. From the list of options available, just click on the Journals icon. Now on the Journals page, just scroll down until you come across the MAH Core logo and then click on that. Now on the MAH Core Collection page, just click on the MAH Core logo to be taken to that e-resource. You should now find yourself on the MAH Core Collection main page. On the top right of the screen, you will find a Login Register button. Just click on that and a pop-up menu should appear on the middle of the screen. You will now be given two options to log in, either via personal login or institutional login. Just click on the institutional login button. You'll now be asked to find your institution. Where it asks you to type the name of your institution, just type in Northwest Regional College. And when that appears as an option underneath, just select that, where you'll now finally be asked for your login details. Just enter your 8-digit user ID, followed by the password, and then finally click the login button.